Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's talk about how to get Canva Pro for free without you subscribing to their Pro version. We just get it for free. This way you are not going to pay any money for the subscription. Okay, let's go. So before we continue, please don't forget subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video to your friends that might need it. Okay, let's go. This is my Canva. Okay, let me click on this. As you can see, this one here, you are seeing Pro. This coming through here. There's Pro version. Maybe you want to design something quick on your Canva, but you are seeing Pro. You can't do it at that moment. So what are you going to do? Okay, let's say you use this template. If I said I want to use this template now, you click on it, they will not allow you to use it. You see, unless you try free for 3 days, for 30 days before you can pay. So what will you do? You go to your Google Chrome. So go to your Google Chrome. Okay, this is my Google Chrome. Then you search for bingotingo.com. bingotingo.com. Look at it on my screen here. But if you can't search for the bingotingo.com, just search for bingotingo Canva. Search for this bingotingo Canva. If you search for this, the first one that pop up, best social media platforms. So just click on it. Okay, if you click on that, scroll it down. You scroll it down where you see the thing loading, maybe 50 seconds or 30 seconds, something like that. Okay, you can get the file in 55 seconds. This is just it. Just wait. One thing about this website is that it's used to bring up different purpose, different ads. So it's not all the ads that you will click. You know, if you click on some of it, it will take you to another side. So please and please, it's not all the ads that you will click. If you are not wise, you will not get it right. So pay attention to this video till the end. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends that might need it. Okay, it's still loading. You can get the file in 18 seconds. So let's wait so that it gets loaded. With this, you get your Canva for free. And anytime you have the problem again, you kept on doing it, you just keep on doing it, then no need of you paying Canva any money to get the Pro version. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, now this download, now you click on this download. Like I said, this website used to bring different ads. You can see it's one ads that pop up here, so I back it, click on the download again. It's still bringing me one SBet ads again, so you click on it, keep clicking till you get it. Sometimes it will not bring too much ads, it will just take you directly, but if the ad is coming, just back it and click so now there's get here. So if this one pop up, this get here for free SEO2 sponsored by Bingo Tingo, all these ones, so just click on this get here. Another ad still pop up. If you see this is an ads, please pay attention to the video. You go back again, click on your get here again, another ads again, so you're back. This website used to bring different ads, so you really need to know what you are doing. You click on the get here again. If it is bringing ads, you back. This is another ads from Temu. Okay, so you click on the get here again. We get it, so don't worry, we get it soon. This is another ads, you back it, click on get here. Oh, these ads today, they are much. Okay, so I think this is it. So if the ads keep on popping, just back. If it's pop up, back it. If it pop up, back it. So the first thing, you go to bingotingo.com, or you search for bingotingo Canva, then you click on that one, you wait for it to load, you scroll it down, you wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see, welcome to Area Rooms class. I'm here. So this is the Pro version now. I already have the Pro version. So let me search for anything. Okay, let me search for posters. Let's do practical now. Let me search for poster. Maybe I want to design a poster now. Anyone that is pro, we click on it and we use it and design. They will not limit us again. So we scroll down. Okay, let's look for anyone that has pro icon. Does it still have pro icon? No, we can use anyone now. All of them are free for us now because we are using pro version. You can see, not pro again. We are already using pro version, so not pro. This is lovely. This is lovely. So it's not hard. The steps are very simple. You go to your Chrome, you search for bingotingo.com, or you search for bingotingo Canva. So if it's pop up the first one that says best social media platforms, you click on it and you scroll down to that side that it is loading. It might tell you 50 something seconds loading. You wait for it to load. So after that, you click on the download now. If you click on that download, if it brings any ads back, just if it pop up any ads, just click back, click on the download again. Keep repeating it till it take you to that get here. If you go to that get here, click on get here. If you are lucky, we don't have ads like that. It will take you directly to Canva. That is all. But if you are not lucky, maybe it will bring up like my own here. I have like 3 or 4 ads before it takes me to Canva. So that is all. Please, if you find this video helpful, click on the subscribe button, like and share. Please just subscribe. Thank you.